Transform your passion for writing into profit. Imagine having a passion for writing and using it to create something that not only inspires others but also generates income. What if you could write an ebook on a topic you're passionate about, publish it, and start earning money? Writing and editing ebooks is a powerful way to make money online. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can dive into this lucrative field. Whether you're an experienced writer or just getting started, stick around because by the end you'll be ready to create your own ebook and earn money doing what you love. Why ebooks are a goldmine for freelancers. The ebook industry has exploded in recent years, and for good reason. Ebooks are accessible, portable, and easy to publish, making them an ideal product for aspiring authors and editors alike. Here's why ebooks are a goldmine for freelancers. First, low cost of production. Unlike traditional publishing, ebooks don't require printing or distribution costs. Second, global audience. You can sell your ebook worldwide through platforms like Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, and more. Third, passive income potential. Once your ebook is written and published, it can continue to generate income with little ongoing effort. Fourth, multiple opportunities. Whether you're writing your own ebook or editing someone else's, the demand is high for quality content. With the rise of self-publishing, writing and editing ebooks has become one of the easiest and most profitable ways to make money online. Writing versus editing. Which one fits you? Before we jump into how to get started, it's important to understand the difference between writing and editing ebooks. Writing ebooks. If you have a passion for a particular subject, whether it's fiction, self-help, business, or how-to guides, you can write an ebook from scratch. Editing ebooks. If you're more into refining others' work, editing ebooks can be a profitable niche. Editors ensure that the content is clear, concise, and polished before it's published. Both options can be highly lucrative, and you can even combine both skills, offering writing and editing services for ebooks. What makes a great ebook? To write or edit a successful ebook, focus on these key elements. First, compelling content. Your ebook must provide value to readers. Whether it's solving a problem or entertaining them, it needs to be engaging. Second, clear structure. The content should be organized logically, with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Third, easy-to-read format. The text should be formatted for easy reading on digital devices. Simple, clean fonts and short paragraphs are best. Fourth, effective title and cover design. Your ebook needs to grab attention, starting with a catchy title and an attractive cover. Fifth, editing and proofreading. Even if you're the writer, don't skip the editing step. A well-edited book is essential for credibility. These elements make your ebook more professional, marketable, and likely to succeed. How to get started writing or editing ebooks. Here's how you can start writing or editing ebooks. First, choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Whether it's business, health, travel, or fiction, finding your niche is key. Next, research the market. Check out popular ebooks in your chosen niche. See what works and what doesn't. This can give you insights into trends and reader preferences. Then, create an outline. Organize your thoughts and create a structure for your ebook. This will help you stay on track and avoid writer's block. Now start writing or editing. If you're writing an ebook, get those ideas down. If you're editing, ensure the content is clear, engaging, and free of errors. Finally, revise and polish. Whether you're writing or editing, revising is a crucial step. Make sure the content flows well and is free from mistakes. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to publish your ebook. Where to publish your ebook? Once your ebook is ready, it's time to publish it. Here are the best platforms to consider. First, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP. This is one of the most popular platforms for self-publishing. You can upload your ebook, set your price, and start earning royalties. Next, Apple Books. Another great platform for ebook publishing, especially if you want to reach a different audience. Then, Smashwords, a distribution platform that allows you to publish and distribute your ebook to various online retailers. Finally, Barnes & Noble Press. You can publish your ebook for the Nook e-reader on this platform. Each platform offers different royalties and distribution options, so explore them before choosing the best one for you. How to market your ebook. Writing and editing the ebook is just part of the process. To make money from your ebook, you need to market it. Here's how. First, leverage social media. Share your ebook on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Engaging with potential readers is key to building a following. Next, use email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters to inform subscribers about your ebook launch. Then, get reviews. Ask friends, colleagues, or early readers to review your ebook on platforms like Amazon. Positive reviews can increase visibility and sales. Finally, run ads. Consider running ads on platforms like Facebook or Amazon to promote your ebook to a larger audience. Marketing is essential to drive sales, and the more exposure your ebook gets, the more money you can earn. 8. How to price your ebook. Pricing your ebook can be tricky, but here's a guideline to help you set the right price. First, research competitors. Look at other ebooks in your niche. How much are they charging? Pricing competitively can make your ebook more appealing. Next, consider the length and content. Shorter ebooks tend to be priced lower, while longer, more in-depth guides can justify a higher price. Third, test pricing. Start with a lower price to build sales and increase visibility. Once you have a solid reader base, you can adjust your price. Typically, ebooks are priced between $2.99 and $9.99, but you can adjust based on your target audience and the value your ebook offers. 9. Common mistakes to avoid when writing or editing ebooks. To ensure your ebook is successful, avoid these common mistakes. First, not proofreading. Even the best writers miss things. Make sure to proofread or hire an editor to catch any errors. Second, ignoring the target audience. Your content should cater to the specific audience you're writing for. Understand their needs and interests. Third, overcomplicating the content. Keep it clear and concise. Avoid jargon or unnecessary complexity. Fourth, failing to edit properly. Whether you're writing or editing, make sure the content is polished and error-free. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll improve the quality of your ebook and increase its chances of success. 10. Conclusion. Start your ebook journey today. Writing and editing ebooks can be an incredibly rewarding career. Whether you're looking to create your own ebook or offer editing services to others, there are plenty of opportunities in this field. Now that you know how to get started, it's time to take action and turn your passion into profit. If you want to explore more freelancing opportunities and income ideas, don't forget to check out the link at the end of this video. I'll be sharing more tips on how to grow your online business and become a successful freelancer. Click the link on your screen to dive deeper into freelancing tips and strategies. I'll see you in the next video, where we explore even more ways to earn money online.